How to play Roblox with friends in mobile. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Roblox application in your mobile device. Once you open the Roblox app, you want to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on add friends right over here, or you can simply tap on more icon and then tap on friends right over here. From friends, you want to go ahead and tap on this icon right over here and then simply search for the person that you would like to play games on Roblox with. You want to go ahead and search for it and then add that person as your friend in Roblox. If you already have that person added as your friend in Roblox, you want to go ahead and head back to your home screen, select a game that you would like to play, and then you'll find a three dot icon. Tap onto it and then tap on invite friends. So in this page, you'll then be able to find all of your friends in Roblox. Simply tap on invite right over here. And when the person accepts the invitation, you guys will then be able to play Roblox together in mobile device. Well, that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.